In this video, we are going to look on Power BI themes. So as you can see that there are many reports which follow same color styles, text styles, and all charts follow the similar color styles. So those things can be achieved with the help of themes. So we will be covering what are themes in Power BI, why we need themes, and where do we get these themes. So let's move on to the next. So themes help us to templatize our report, that is maintain same look and feel in all reports in easier way. Normally companies like to maintain same text styles, color styles, and then they want these reports to be matching with their websites sometimes. And we get predefined themes in Power BI desktop as well. So in demo we'll see from where we can get this. We can also use this link to get themes contributed by people. Then we can create our own custom themes as well. We can save them in case if we want. We can also contribute to these themes galleries. So let's see how we can use themes. So jump onto the demo. So we have a Power BI report. I have already created some chart, and this is just a sample report. Now, how we can change these themes? So you will see that there is a colors, there is a text, then we have different colors. So to change the themes, what we do, we go to view, and then in view we see there are set of predefined themes available, and we can go and select any theme. And as soon as we select the themes, you will see that the complete color and style changes. Similarly, in case if you want any other themes to be added, you'll see those themes to be available here. Now, how you can download themes from the web which people have contributed. So if let's say you like this theme, you just go and click on this theme. So you can note down the URL, and at the bottom you'll see there is an option to download the theme. So there is a JSON. So you just download this JSON. Let's say my custom theme will rename it as theme, and then we'll go to our report and we'll import that theme. So to import that theme, we'll click here, and then we'll go to our folder and we'll just import our theme. So you can see the same theme gets copied here, and that theme will be available here in this report section, and whatever is available with Power BI will be here. So this says that this is the imported theme. Now in case if you want to customize your theme and then save things, so what you can do, you can go click here, and then in case if you want to change the colors, that the colors which are appearing on your chart, you can do that. Let's say you want to change this to Arial black. Okay, and this is mostly titles also you want to make Arial black. Let's select everything as Arial black, and we'll see how this gets affected there. And then on visuals, again, in case if you want automatically the borders to be added, you can put that. Then header background color you want in this, let's say border color for header is blue. Then in case if you want to have a specific background, sometimes you want a specific color to be there in the background, you can go ahead and do that, and let's apply it. Now you can see all your text and everything changing, and then those backgrounds are also changing. So this, now how you can save this your this theme, you will go here and, sorry, you will click on save current theme. You will get option to save your theme. So this is how you can save your theme. The same thing you can use for other reports, so that all your reports are in the same line. This is how you can use themes there on Power BI.